ये बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स के पीछे का राज क्या होता है।
Don't just see the content and run away, huh? Do subscribe. It feels so smooth.
We came through to the tropics, still pina coladas. Shorty, I could take you there, or we.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya and welcome back to my channel. Bro, it feels so good. I am literally saying these lines after 2 weeks probably. And yes, and I wasn't able to post any videos because I had my exams on, and which I am done by now. And I also updated you guys on my Instagram because many of you are asking that why I am not coming up with any new videos. So if you are not following me there, go check me out there. And yeah, I know I look so gross with oil applied on all my hair, sorry. And but that's who I am, and I literally don't care because you guys are family now. Yay. And for today's video, actually I need to put it out there, as I am a person who loves watching vlogs. I literally binge watch them. You people may watch Netflix on click, and I literally love vlogs. So I thought, why not make one? So for this, I'll be taking you along with my entire day. And yeah, I know it's not that glam or any fancy looking day, but that's basically how my day functions. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. It's 7:30 in the morning. I woke up back at 7 a.m. and what I did, I just freshened up a bit, cleared my face, and here I'm sitting with you all. And so for today, our routine will start now, and first of all, we'll make breakfast. Yes, ta-da! So let's go. I am thinking that today I'll make some sandwich. For this we have this cabbage, some tomatoes, and right now I will chop them. So this is quite a big cabbage I am using. I don't know from where to start. So we'll be using this as the leaves themselves. I'm not going to further cut it into pieces because I like it this way. And also this will be a healthier option, I guess. So our vegetables are finely chopped, and now we have some breads here, and we'll start making sandwiches. Let me put this aside. Here we have some piles of bread. I love this. This is the vegetarian mayonnaise, and this is the sandwich spread. The tandoori ones, I'll be using both of them. Also we have some cheese. I like my sandwich in this way. I'll be using this vegetarian one, this white mayo on one slice actually. I'm done spreading this. I'll be putting some tomatoes and some cabbage leaves onto the top of it, and then I'll be using this one. This is how it looks now. Next, going to spread this cheese onto the top of it. Yes, it's so delicious. I love the way, and also we'll put some tomatoes again on top, and then the final layering. Yes, this is my sandwich. You can see how rich it is. My breakfast is ready, and also I have this Nescafe latte, yes, which I love to drink in the morning. And as I'm a coffee person, I never drink tea. Yes, so Nescafe is the best. I'm done with my breakfast, and this sandwich I'll keep it for my papa because he loves this sandwich as well. So I'll be catching you in a while. Hey guys, I'm back and now I have to do a pile of clothes. I have to fold them and arrange them accordingly. And sorry for that light, that the reflection is coming, but I found no better angle to fix my camera. So bear with me, but yes, the focus is coming right, I guess. But what makes sense when you have all this chipku hair and sorry, bear with me, we can't do much about that, but I will show you the pile of clothes. So these are the bundle of clothes I need to fold. Actually my mom handed me this work yesterday only, but as being a lazy freak I didn't do my job then, but now I have to do it. Okay, so let's do it together. So I did a desi jugaad and you can see that red fallout over there. I put my old t-shirt into there, stuck there, and so that the light, the reflection doesn't come. Okay, so now let's begin with all our piles of clothes. Does it happen with you all that your mom gives some work to you and you don't do it in time, so she starts scolding you over and over again, and when she starts to give that look, you know, better do it in time. Feeling in the best space because as there is lot of going on in our own personal lives, and also my state Assam needs your help, so please cooperate with all the teams, and your small contribution can make a huge difference, so please do that, because our flora and fauna is being haunted and the people are in a very bad state. You can't even imagine how they are being sheltered now, so please, it's my urge that please contribute a little amount or whatever you can according to your capability, and your little contribution will make a huge difference to their lives, so please. My pile of clothes are ready. See this pile of clothes, this and this. I'm done. So I did my works and the piling of clothes is done, and now I feel so lethargic. So I decided to take a shower and I will meet you since then. But I'll be right back. So this is how I look after shower. Yeah, I took my shower and I feel so fresh by now. All that oil which was clumped, now it feels very relaxing. Yes, and if you came from my Instagram, you definitely know Wow has sent me some amazingly Wow products, and which I have mentioned that I would share the review very soon. Because of my exams I couldn't do that. When we see this hype all over the social media, instinct thought comes to our mind that are these brands really effective, are these products really effective, ये बड़े-बड़े brands के पीछे का राज क्या होता है. So I will share today my personal experience. मैं आपको अपना personal experience बताऊंगी, especially Wow के साथ. I have been using their products since the past 4 weeks and I am literally wowed. And first of all, a very generous thank you to Wow for collaborating with me, for sending me these freebies. And first of all, this is an Indian brand, which means vocal for local, and which is a great deal for now. Scan the QR code here and you can check the authenticity. Also, one thing why I like this brand, this is so close to my heart because it is women empowering, as it is 80% of women working over in the company. So let's get vocal for local. And how can I not mention these products? This worked like a miracle for me, as they sent me my customized product that I choose. Then only they send, not only they sent me and asked me to review that, I choose this product. As I stay in Gujarat, so the water over there is damn harsh and hard, but so I preferred to take this hard water defense shampoo. Yes. And the products are sulfate free, silicone free, parabens and no salt in color. That means they are very organic and very natural. And secondly comes here the hair conditioner. Yes, it says it is the organic virgin coconut oil hair conditioner shampoo. I thought it was a conditioner because it nourished my hair so much. It locked that moisture so easily that it feels like you are using a conditioner. So that's great. 5 stars from me to them. Yes, and I am in love with their products. And thirdly, they gave me the vitamin C face serum. I know it's a bit not that costly for a face serum, but you can use it, and I will be using it right now. I just went gaga over this product. I'm sure I'm going to buy this after this product gets over. So you can apply. The applicator is very damn nice, so you can just pour it drops. Yeah, and then you can just massage it into your skin. Let me come a bit close. You can see how my skin feels. What kind of glow it gives. You can literally see. Yes. It feels divine. I say no, it smells divine, and wow. This is a must buy. It cost for rupees 900. I know it's a bit expensive, but a face serum does many jobs to your skin and it's highly recommended. You can trust me on this. And I have also shared a review of this serum on my Instagram as well. So do check me there out, and also I will share 1 or 2 photographs with you in this video. So yes, let me dry my hair now. It's almost 1 AM and I will catch you after my lunch.
2 hours later.
Guys, so now I have to head out with my dad to buy some groceries, and he has some work over bank, and it's right now it's 3:30 and we are heading out quickly. Yes, this is my OTT details. I haven't done much. Added a statement neck piece over here, and see, my hair feels so smooth. Yes, so this was it, just a black tee and a denim, and then my Nike shoes. Yes, so let's go. So we head out of our home, and now we are in the road. We are going to our destination to do some shopping, and we have came out because it was necessary. Unless and until it's necessary, don't come out. And today I'm introducing you to my dad. So here is he.
Hello, hi.
So actually he was not ready to come in my video. He's saying that when I will cross 1000 subscribers, then only he will make his debut in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel so that you can see him more. Okay, so let's go. It feels great. I'm driving after so long. Yes, I'm at the departmental store now, and you can see there are lots of groceries. Yes, and we are gonna do the shopping. Hello, so we are done with our shopping. Yes, we shopped this much. There are various things what to show. This macaroni and all of that. We got some mayonnaise and that regular stuff. Yes, got this. Got all this grocery shoppings. मैं यहाँ पे मेरे पापा गए हैं कुछ लाने, so I am waiting here and गाड़ी स्टार्ट पे रखी है क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, एसी चालू है. That's why. Yay! Or let me show you. This is our lane and this is full of greens. Yes, one uncle is going. So हम यहीं पे बैठे हैं और पापा का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. So how did you like today's vlog?
I actually enjoy watching vlogs, so I made one. And please hit like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Don't just see the content and run away, huh? Do subscribe. Yes, and I just tied my hair into a pony because it's too hot. People are actually passing by and watching me like this. What the hell she's doing? But yeah. Also, I have my mask here, huh? I don't forget, I have my mask, but as the windows are closed and all of that, so I'm not using it right now. My dad is back, right here. Want to say?
Hello, everyone stay home and stay safe.
That's the mandatory case right now. Okay, then we'll meet you next time. Ta-da!
Hey, so I'm back home and I'm going to end today's vlog here only. And here is our kitty. And the next thing is I love making this one, and I hope you also love this one. And please shower this video with all the love like you used to do in my previous videos. Sit. And that's all. Please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do. And I'll be coming with such more fun videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.